The best pizza places in Bangkok, Thailand, artisan sourdough, well-seasoned tomato and mozzarella bases and premium toppings. Bangkok has developed a great pizza scene ranging from pop-ups to fine dining venues. Whether you are looking for authentic Italian fare, imported cheese or crispy crusts, our list of Bangkok's best pizza places has got you covered. Il Bolognese draws inspiration from the Italian city of Bologna, bringing authentic Italian pizzas, pastas, salads and seafood dishes to the Asian capital. The charming restaurant has set up its quarters in a soi close to Sathorn and features rustic walls, warm tones and traditional Italian accents, creating a balance between a laid-back eatery and an upscale dining experience. Next to a marvelously decorated dining room, visitors will find a wood-fired pizza oven as well as a large greenhouse. The professional staff serve tasty dishes with undiluted flavors made from premium ingredients. The friendly manager is known to frequently check the satisfaction of his customers personally. Il Bolognese offers 2 pizza menus, one featuring classic options such as margherita and a special menu with pizzas made from artisanal dough. Toppings include imported buffalo mozzarella and Italian meats. Pala Pizza Romana, one of the most popular grab-and-go eateries in the city. Pala Pizza Romana tantalizes passers-by with its delicious pizza al taglio, referring to the meter-long slabs of dough which are baked to perfection. The restaurant does not adhere to the popular Neapolitan pizza method. Instead, it lets its dough rise for much longer, 72 hours, which results in crusty bottoms and fluffy tops. Toppings include sharp cheeses, Parma ham, mozzarella, artichokes and olives. Pepina takes authenticity to a whole new level and has brought delicious sourdough pizza to Bangkok. Strictly adhering to the 11-page document, Associazione Vera Pizza Napolitanas on how to make authentic Italian pizza. This place means serious business and the results are nothing but outstanding. Chef Paolo Vitaletti of Appia and Jarrett Risley of Sold Food Mahanakorn have created truly authentic flavors and textures. You'll even find Italian beers on tap. For those who are not in the mood for pizza, the menu features excellent meat options such as perfectly grilled steak and seafood dishes such as mussels in tomato sauce. A well-selected wine list as well as tasty cocktails make for the ideal companion for your meal. Pizza Massilia. You might think that a parking lot is not the most romantic setting to enjoy some pizza, but throw in a wood-fired oven, charming decorations and an Italian chef, and you get Pizza Massilia, the trendiest new pop-up in Bangkok, serving some of the tastiest dishes. The city's first pizza truck has set up its quarters under the canopy of 100-year-old trees, adorned with fairy lights. Away from the noise of the bustling streets, the dough is prepared from organic Italian flour, and toppings are imported all the way from Italy and France. With simple yet delicious bases of tomato, basil and buffalo mozzarella, Massilia's pizzas are a must-try for any pizza lover. And the unique setting, charming staff and reasonable prices are an additional reasons to visit. Cabana Garden. The Cabana Garden restaurant provides a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of Sukhumvit, located in a quiet side street. The charming wooden house with its extensive, peaceful garden area offers a marvelous space in which to enjoy the numerous Italian dishes. From pasta to pizza straight from the authentic Italian oven, Cabana serves up consistently tasty dishes with a smile from the professional staff. The restaurant's pizzas have thin, crispy bases and quality toppings. The intimate setting makes this place a pearl among other Italian restaurants in the area, and the high praise from its customers speaks for itself. Brio, part of the Anantara Bangkok Riverside Resort and Spa. Brio is an excellent fine dining restaurant offering truly authentic Italian dishes created by resident chef Danilo Sangragoli. With warm wooden furnishings, terracotta tiles and rustic walls, this place invokes the simplicity of a Tuscan villa. The cheese counter and shelves filled with pastas, sauces and other ingredients imported all the way from Italy are delicious. The charming and skilled head chef has not only gathered years of experience, but also holds the title of 3 times World Pizza Champion in speed and quality baking. His savory pizzas are piled with premium ingredients such as spinach, mushrooms, ham, gorgonzola, and a light tomato and mozzarella base. With the outstanding quality and perfect preparation, pizza enthusiasts will be amazed by Sangragoli's delicious creations. Sol Mio is as Italian as it gets, with a quirky rustic decor, authentic dishes and a lively atmosphere. With a team from Turin and Rome, the traditional trattoria is a must-visit for those looking to sample genuine Italian cuisine with undiluted flavors. Paintings and photographs line the terracotta walls and give Sol Mio a homely feel, bringing a slice of Italy to Bangkok. Its pizza comes with a thin, crispy base topped with delicious ingredients such as black olives, mushroom and artichokes. If you are in the mood for something else, the restaurant cooks outstanding pastas and delicious desserts. Pizza Mania. Why not get comfortable with a good movie and order some takeaway pizza? Pizza Mania promises the fastest pizza in town, delivering an extraordinarily pizza right to your doorstep. this place can hold its own against some of the fancier Italian eateries out there. Using imported Italian cheeses and meats and freshly baked dough, Pizza Mania has satisfied many hungry customers. With its good prices and sumptuous flavors, its unpretentious take on quality pizza is a much welcomed addition to the city's pizza scene. Customers can choose from a variety of toppings including Parma ham, artichokes, olives and mozzarella cheese. Zanotti enjoys a reputation as not only one of the best Italian restaurants in Bangkok, but as one of the best in the country. Founded in 1998 by head chef Gianmaria Zanotti, since then it has won over many critics with its culinary creations and its marvelous wine collection. The restaurant goes out of its way to ensure quality service, hospitality and food. Their pasta is made fresh every day, and the delicious salads are the ideal starter. Next to risotto and seafood, this place bakes truly sumptuous pizzas, using only the best ingredients in order to ensure maximum flavor. With its elegant and intimate setting, Zanotti is a favorite for business meetings as well as casual encounters. The professional team always strives for perfection and is more than happy to make recommendations. If you are looking to taste Italian cooking in the atmosphere of a fine dining venue, look no further. Every culture trip, small group adventure is led by a local insider just like Hannah,